This is Abdul Wajid from UAE. We are doing all kinds of interior decor and maintenance work. We did many projects: hypermarket, shelf, checkout counter, trolley, supply and installation. Gian Hypermarket Dubai is small. Now our new project is coming in Libya. That's also Gian Hypermarket. We did project in UAE, Carrefour, the Bin Battuta Mall. We did many projects. You can check the quality of the product. Even now, before 17 years, we done the installation still in good quality. That's why we can give you the best quality. Signboard, flooring work, ceiling work, painting work, partition work, electrical, plumbing, cladding work. You can contact me anytime. My mobile number 0524572720. I will available in WhatsApp. Okay, you can send your 3D or floor plan by WhatsApp or email. Okay, based your project, we will give best quality and best price. Thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.